whether a man or woman. Want it or you got it. It's a divine affection. Yeah, you can't live without it. Such a lover, girl. I'll give you all the feels. Step into my world. I promise you'll love it here with me. You know this.
Hello, hello, hello. So, we are here at the Tracks Market. It's my first market. I'm a little nervous. I don't know how to feel about it. But we're all set up and I'm just chilling now, waiting for more people to come. So, super exciting. It's about 7:30. So, I think, right? No, 7:45. Doors opened at 7, so people are just starting to come in now. I mean, it's a Thursday, so, you know, people had to get off work, come get fab and get ready and all that, and then head over here. So, yeah, we'll see what the night brings. Honestly, I'm not expecting anyone to buy anything. I will be shocked. Not because I feel like what I have to offer isn't worth it, but I'm just not used to that. So, yes, I will talk to y'all soon and give y'all an update. See what happens. It is raining. Oh my God, y'all. It is pouring. I'm soaked. But it's all right, we're still having a good time. We had to just kind of put everything in because the rain is doing the most. Nicole wants to leave. She's ready to go inside and party. It's raining men. Hallelujah. Yeah. I think we're gonna close the market down for the night. But I made a $25 sale, so that's good. That was my first drag print sale. Whoever that was, thank you so much. I appreciate you. That made my whole entire year. It is downpouring. Like, this is actually insane. But we're staying dry underneath this tent. Y'all, I am scared. I'm just scared. Wow. All right, y'all, so we're back. The rain is over, thank God. I know that this lens is a little close to me, so excuse that. I didn't feel like changing lenses, but I sold one print. Oh my God, I sold one print. Are you serious? I'm super grateful for that. Honestly, I was not expecting anyone to purchase anything. Even though, you know, like, I invested in this event, coming here and putting myself out there, but, you know, it's my first market. I know it's not gonna be perfect, but I was just, you know, it feels so good when people come and genuinely just appreciate your art. Like, this girl walked up and she just like looked through my pictures and she was just like, okay, cool, I like this one. Can I buy this? Cool. How much? Blah, blah, blah. There we go. I'm like, it's so simple and easy. I think the people that want to purchase something or they feel connected to whatever the product that is that you have, they're gonna come, they're just gonna look and they're gonna buy it. You don't have to convince or talk people into it. I feel like that's kind of like disgusting anyways. Like, I've been trying to just like lay low and kind of mind my business and and let people like look through stuff if they want to look through stuff. But if they want to talk, you know, we'll have conversation too. So it's been pretty cool. I'm glad the rain is over. It was honestly horrible. Like, I can't even explain. Like, I had to take everything down and put it away and hide it because everything was getting soaked. The rain was coming through the tent, like it was bad. But we're back on now. And yeah, I'll show y'all what the market's giving right now at this moment in time. Ooh, okay. Yeah, she's back on, you see. But I won't lie, it's fucking freezing out here. So I've been using this lamp to keep me warm. Listen, you gotta do what you gotta do. But it's a good night. It's getting busier and busier as the night goes on. I heard that there's just like a line outside wrapped around the building, so I'm excited to see more people come in and hopefully we make a couple more sales. That's the goal. So, also because it's so freaking cold, I've noticed that the people who have been making sales are the people who have clothing merch, like t-shirts or hoodies. And I wonder who, I gotta search around and see who's selling the shirts that say protect the dolls. But I hope it's a fucking doll. Because if it's not a doll, then I feel like I don't know. I guess we could all advocate for whatever we choose, right? But at the end of the day, if you're making money off of Protect the Dolls, you better be a fucking doll. And if you're not, you're just here to make money. I'm just saying. Because what are you doing to actually protect the dolls besides making a shirt that says Protect the Dolls? I'll wait. Like, what have you actually done to protect the dolls? We want to know. So I sent my boyfriend to go get us a slice of pizza because I'm fucking starving. I don't know where he is. He's somewhere up in the air. Look at my prints. Aren't they gorgeous? Honestly, I'm so proud of myself for doing this. Like, even though I've only made $25 today, I'm so proud of myself. Y'all don't realize where a girl has came from, what she's been through, and how much it really took for me to get to this point of working a public event. Tessa, are you okay? Like, what's going on? And then look at all of the beautiful work that I have produced. This is crazy. Honestly, this is crazy, y'all. I'm having a moment.